How do I say this sentence as Gaeilge? The work is a big problem. Firstly, I need to know what type of a sentence I'm dealing with. It's going to be a copula sentence because I've got the verb to be, but a noun somewhere afterwards. The work is a big problem. It's the same as I am a man, we are a group. I can't use tá mé or tá sé in this case. What about the structure? Essentially, it's like saying Messi is a footballer, the example I always give. We're saying he is this, she is this, but we're also naming the person at the start. We're naming who it is, it's Messi. So all we do for that is say, he is a footballer, is pelador a, and then we tag on Messi at the end, is pelador a Messi. So let's do the same thing with our sentence here. It is a big problem, is five war e. Five is feminine, therefore the more takes the H and we use the E instead of the A. And all we do is add on the work afterwards. So is five war E on ober. The work is a big problem.